Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some ways to fix error code CE-36329-3 on PlayStation 4. Method 1. Clear PS4 system cache. Press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep to turn off the PlayStation 4 completely. Unplug the power cord from the back of the console and make it stay unplugged for a couple of minutes. After that, plug the power cord back into the PS4 console and turn on your PS4. Method 2. Stay up to date. The main cause of this error is that your system software is out of date. Therefore, you have to make sure that both your game and PS4 are of the latest version. To update your PS4 game application, follow these steps. Go to the game library on your PS4 and choose the game you want to update. Press the Options button on your PS4 controller to open the side menu. Select Check for Update from the menu. To check for the latest version of your system software, follow these steps. Go to Settings. Select System Software Update. If any updates are detected, select Next and then Update to download the updates. Your PS4 system will download and install the update. The system will then restart, so just wait for it to finish. Method 3. Update PS4 system software in safe mode. Press the power button present on the front panel of the PS4 to turn it off. The indicator will blink a few times. After turning off your PS4, press and hold the power button and keep holding it until you hear 2 beeps. The first beep will usually be heard when you press it initially and the second beep when you keep pressing it, for around 7 seconds. Now connect the PS4 controller with a USB cable and press the PlayStation button present on the controller. The PlayStation will now be in the safe mode. Select the option Update System Software and try to update it again via Internet. Once the process is finished, restart your PlayStation and check if the issue is resolved. If it doesn't work, do it via a USB storage device. For more information on how to manually update the PS4 system software using a USB drive, please visit this official PlayStation page that illustrates this process in detail. After you have the latest version of the system software but the error still appears, please go back in the Safe Mode page. Select the option Rebuild Database. At that time, it will warn you that it may take hours. Most of the time, this solution resolves the problem. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall the game. Go to PS4 Settings. Scroll down and select Storage. Select System Storage. Select Applications. Highlight the game you want to uninstall and press the Options button. Then, choose Delete from the side menu. Restart your PS4 and reinstall the game. Then, you can launch the game to see if it can run normally. Method 6. Initialize PS4. Before we begin, you should know that initializing PS4 completely wipes the console's hard drive and even removes its system software. You should back up any data you want to keep, such as images and video, to an external device or to the cloud. Please visit this official Play Stay On page that illustrates this process in detail. Finally, if the error still appears, then try checking the hard drive. Please visit the video linked in the description for this process details. I advise getting in touch with the nearby Sony Service Center if the issue continues. Hope this is useful.